Hey guys, Squint here. So today, this is just going to be a real quick package opening. You guys can see here. I don't want to flip it over, it has an address on it. But it's going to be a quick opening, quick run through. Trying to get back out into the woods in the morning. So I just got home and this was on my porch. I know who it's from. I think I know who it's from. But let's get this thing open and see what we got in here. I know Monkey Lockpicks was sending me a package, and he sent me a message saying that it was a DHL carrier, so that was a DHL bag. So I assume this is who that's from. I've been talking to him about making me some picks, trying to get some custom picks, and hopefully that's what we got here. Save all this packaging for locks. What's the easiest way to get in here? Nice packing job for sure. Alright. Let's see what we got here. Alright, looks like a little challenge lock. Let's see what we got here. Got a mummied up key. It's yeah, there's no way I'm going to be able to say that. Spirulino by Paola. So I'm sure I screwed that up. I'm actually going to have to look it up to see what it means, but it's a cool Euro. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pin. All the little set screws are in. So cool. All right, man. Thank you. Thanks for sending me that. So I do know this is from Monkey Lockpicks now. So appreciate that, sir, sending me a challenge lock. That's awesome. That was unexpected. Let's see what we got in this one. This looks like it's another lock. Well, sure is. Cool. Look at that. That's an Avis. Got 3-star on it. Avis 3-star. Awesome. Another mummy key. This is the other. Let's see, what's he got? The Other Side of the Lock by Monkey Lockpicks. Cool. That's awesome, man. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Probably a 6-pinner. Got a mummied up key. Awesome. That's going to be awesome to try to pick. And if I wasn't on such a quick package opening, I definitely gonna try to pick those real soon. All right, let's get into this goodness here. Nice tape job for real. I mean, you got these things in here, no damage whatsoever. That's awesome. Alright, so I had to make me up a few different profiles and a few different picks. I wanted two different thicknesses, so Wow, look at that. Look at that. Awesome. Look at that, guys. That's beautiful. DeForest diamond. I don't even know if I want to use these. Nice. So we got a little short hook. Like a hook number 1. So I like these Peterson hooks. So there's like a hook number 1, and then this is just like the Peterson gem. So Peterson gem, hook number 1, and then the DeForest diamond. That is awesome. Wow. And I got the exact same picks here in a different thickness. Yep. So these are around, I think he said these are around 23 thousandths, and these would be, I think 19 thousandths, maybe 15 thousandths. I don't know. I'll have to go, but you can see the different profiles here. Another, Peterson gem, hook number 1, and then DeForest diamond. Wow, those are just awesome. Look at that. Wow, I like it. It's got a longer handle. I notice when I pick with these, the handle kind of fits down in here, but with these, he's made it just a little bit longer for me. Make it a little easier to fit in my hand. Man, cool. He's got, you can see the differences, how he's put the tips a little different color on there. Man, that's beautiful. Look at the finish on those things, the shine. Wow, okay, let's open up this last one and see what we got here. Awesome. Little short hook. He said this was kind of his prototype handle that he was making, a little ergonomic handle. Look at that. It's wonderful, it's beautiful. Fits perfect right there. It's got a nice long handle on it. Pretty thick. And it still gets up in there. Man, alright, cool. Well, like I said, I wanted to make this a fairly quick video, but I definitely wanted to say thank you to Monkey Lockpicks. This has far exceeded my expectation. I will definitely be putting these to use, and maybe I'll get one of these. Maybe I'll do your challenge lock with one of your picks. I think that would be pretty cool. But yeah, so Monkey Lockpicks, awesome stuff, man. Let me zoom in a little bit so you guys can see the fit and finish that he's done on these, and then I'll sign off and head out into the woods in the morning. That's pretty cool, man. That you said this was your prototype. Yeah, I think you got a winner there. It's real light. The wood's real light. Pick's real light. You could pick all day with that. Very comfortable. Very, very comfortable. So, alright guys, if you guys are in the market for some picks, you guys want some quality picks done up by a stand-up guy in our community, Monkey Lockpicks is making good stuff, so I can't wait to put these to good use. I appreciate it, brother. Thank you. Alright. I'll do a I'll use these and do another little review on how they work. But I appreciate you sending these out to me, and hey guys, I'll be on to the next lock.